that's not really the name, but this is it. Obviously, it comes with the hyperspace ring. It's the only set that does. And sorry, I didn't do the Star Destroyer review, but I will. I promise I will next time. Okay? So never mind about that really. But it comes with 2 minifigures: Kit Fisto and Obi-Wan Kenobi. And Obi-Wan doesn't come with a lightsaber because he fits into this little ship. And then Kit Fisto does, and he doesn't go in anywhere, like there's no ship for him. He just like works on the hyperspace ring and stuff. But I'll show you in a couple minutes how Obi-Wan fits in there. So let's get started, I guess. I'm gonna start with this little ship, with the little flying ship. It comes with this little astromech droid. I forgot the name. And it comes with landing gear, like right here. And you can just hold it up like that. And then it's like that, and then like it can just fly off. And that's all really. There's 2 lasers, there's 4 lasers, but there. And then with these symbols, like Rebel, I guess. And then like these flaps, they open up on both sides, and there's stickers on both sides. So it could just open up like that. And then like solar panels or something, you could just fly away. And then you could just fold them back up. And then there's another symbol right there, so that's it. And then you could open that easily. It's just one giant cockpit, and it just folds open, and this piece is a separate piece, and then you could just, it can just go really quickly. Let me set that down. There. Okay, so you can just open that with a chair, and then the controls, you can just put Obi-Wan in there like that. The controls like just hit his face, sort of, his nose, and then you could just put it down like that, and then he's in this starfighter and flying away. And then the engines are really cool. They come with these blue pieces, they come in other sets. And then more stickers, a lot of stickers in this set mostly. Well, not a lot, just on this ship. And then Kit Fisto, he has all these stuff I forgot to tell you, and he's green and brown and stuff, so he doesn't go anywhere, like I said before. And then onto the giant hyperspace ring. It doesn't come with any other set, so that's pretty cool. And I got this this is my first Christmas special review, and I got this from Atlanta, from Christmas, of course. And then it's really cool, and it comes with missiles, and I'll show you that those flick. And then it comes with armor and stuff, and then you can put the ship in there, and I'll show you why they have these flaps. And there's lights, there's engines. I like those blue pieces a lot, but like there's these lights. It's orange and green on both sides. That's pretty cool, and the missiles fall out a lot. And there's these pieces, and then so I'll show you in a minute. I just have to set this down like right here. And so you get these exhaust things, and then you can just, these pieces right here is how you connect it to here. So you can just slide it in like so. It sometimes gets stuck, and then you can just slide it in, and then you put these pieces down so it's locked in, and then it can't go anywhere, so it can just fly away. And then you could just take it off. You just take off these right here, and then you can just scoot it out. Like you just press on these pieces. Sometime it'll fall out like that. And then that's all of that. And then the missiles, they fall out a lot, but they don't flick that well because I had this for a long time, so they don't work as good anymore. So you can just put them like that. And then they go. There's two of them. So I'll get that later. And then they have these escape pod pieces, and that's sort of a new kind of design, I think. Not sure, but it sort of is. And then navy blue on this. And I guess that's all, but I hope you liked my review. And someday I'll be doing a review on the LEGO Star Destroyer. So